It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times. CEO. Don't say. As Basi Qala Lenkubo, draw. Yeah, MTN 8 semi-finals is on, and it team Qala say it's Orlando Pirates. Obviously, they will play their home game at Orlando Stadium, and they are playing against Mamelodi Sundowns. So it's guaranteed. You can hear the noise. It's Orlando Pirates versus Mamelodi Sundowns. So the first leg obviously will be at Orlando Stadium. Then the second leg, as well, it will be a Loftus Stadium, a Lucas Masterpieces Moripa Stadium. But Orlando Pirates should draw, meaning that they will be at home. They'll play the first leg at home. Then obviously the second leg, as Bastongile, second semi-final rather. Stellenbosch. Now, Cape Town, obviously, they will play against Sekhukhune. So it's a repeat of last semi-final against again 2022-2023 season. Apo Jose Rivera wayefika khona. Kulapho ke wadlala khona i-semi-final yakhe yokuqala wadlala ne-Sundowns if sakhumbula Orlando Stadium 0-0. Then they went to Polokwane to play second leg against Sundowns where Orlando Pirates won 3-0. They went on to win that competition, but now it's a different era under a new coach for Orlando Pirates. Mamelodi Sundowns still has the coach of the season, Golabicala. But Junior, we bonili draw mfowethu. Andazi basiqale ngedraw. Ndikubuza ukuthi ucinga ntoni ngedraw kanye siqale ngomdlalo siqale ngeyifana ndikubulisa mfowethu kunjani?
Esheni my brother kunjani?
I'm good my brother. I'm good.
Ngibulise wena, ngibulisa uTJK. Ngibulisa uNkululeko my brother. Ngibulisele ngonyethu Lindo Pep.
Yeah.
Ngibulise Benedict Sovilakazi. Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting it. Is KTV fighting one try to fix South African football. Are you surprised, Shin?
Not surprised.
Yeah,
I mean, that's like you top 4 Junior. You cannot avoid anyone. Because if you avoid Sundowns, you're going to play Stellenbosch. If you avoid Stellenbosch, you're going to play Sekhukhune. Big game anyway, but I'm sure the whole country, this is the fixture that they wanted.
Either way, Shane, noma ngabe bahlangene ku-Pirates ku-final bekumele bahlangane Pirates and Sundowns. Either way, this is a knockout cup.
Yeah.
Mhlambe if it was a plan, mhlambe iplanwe i-marathon league. Bowazi ukuthi mhlambe let them not play now. Bazodlala mhlambe i-season ivule if bekuplanwa. You understand? But now this is a knockout stage whereby top 8 and top 8 ikudlala ama-team 8, the best top 8 between premiership teams. And obvious Pirates and Sundowns are there. And number 1 and 2. Noma ngabe either way bekumele bahlangane noma ngabe bahlangane today now njoba sekutosiwe bekumele bahlangane mhlambe ku final. So mina I'm not surprised mfethu and mina ngiyayithanda myself yabo.
Junior, before singing emdlalweni, there's something enifuna ukubuza yona. Iboss yakho iyakuthanda?
Usho kanjani iboss yami?
Iboss yakho Junior iyakuthanda? Andazi ngabe iboss yakho but okay if it's E3 iboss yakho ziyakuthanda zo E3?
Yeah, they do.
Neyami yanthanda yazi why nisitsho?
Yeah.
Because first leg in the Orlando Stadium, second leg in the Loftus.
So today we have
so eating
so we have today with the favorite Pirates.
I mean, Junior, I cannot hide that. I mean, I cannot hide that.
The other day you were in.
Because again, it should.
Sometimes they win the league. And you had hope good thing at the league. No, Shane. You had hope good things we win the league. And well, as in fit. Mina Shane true. Well done. I think you started you try Orlando. In fact, exciting. It's be honest.
Yeah.
After watching Orlando Pirates. Njoba ngisho mina say Shane ngizoyiphinda le statement namhlanje. I-Chiefs and Pirates. I-teammate mfethu. I-Pirates into engibona izolo. Mfethu engiwitness ngamehla can't lie. Dlala idada. When ku-Pirates we talking about Double Tito, Bumbule, Relebogile Mfokeng. I've seen this guy as well. Police afika naba compliment. And ngibona na this boy radio pan. Well done to him. Dlala I mean team of stars. Same as game. According to Bangisho, which is bekumele ngabe kuba njalo. Unfortunate for me agabi njalo. And Sundowns is more of a system team. Ama players dlala nge-basic develop players. So mfethu kunendlela as different abadlala ngazo. So either way mina Shane after watching Pirates izolo I'm very excited. I think we're going to have a season la sizoba excited. When we watch Pirates, everybody nami ngizodinga isipana la ngizoba excited to buka no Pirates. As much as ngizobe ngisebenza, ngizobe excited. Against the best Mamelodi Sundowns. Ithi ngibe honest. Kunalento abayibiza ngeculture engihlale ngimention to people identity. Shane if ubabami ekhabi kwenza imisebenzi. And then ubabami bekwenza imisebenzi ekhaya imisebenzi abadala abaphansi kwenza utshwala besintu and then my father passed on mina la ngiyakhona kwa maybe I leave at Daveyton ngizohlala la eSandton angeke ngistophe le nto la eSandton mele ichubeke noma ngihamba nami emhlabeni or I'm still alive my kids ukilebkhile mele ichubeke ngale nto leyo I'm talking about the culture impande the identity so iSundowns and the way they play asikhulume nga today's game it was like a training session they played against how many passes? I think 300 and something.
400 and something. When I checked second half, there were about 400 and something passes for
Yeah.
Sundowns. Yeah.
So how many seasons they've been doing that?
So
So they don't panic, irrespective to score first. They hardly panic. So
Yeah.
going to this today's game, I think I think back 3 or back 4. I think if it's they're playing 3-4-3, but today it looked like to me, badlala nga 3 yes. Solid at the back, Sundowns namhlanje Kupidu and Ukraine Kekana. Well done. I mean, they're complementing each other. Though Azang Baba tested today, but for me, very solid at the back, Sundowns today. Kupidu, very important player for his Sundowns season young. And I know Reynolds won the man of the match probably because he scored 2 goals. But Kupidu Mfetu today is going to be so important. Go Sundowns and Kulmang season young.
Yeah.
Cup game, league game, Champions League. I'm talking about Champions League as well. Sundowns and Fate in the middle. I'm not going to talk about Mkwena. Very consistency, professional player.
Yeah.
He looks fit. Ngibeki game manje towards the game yophelele like game kuya ngathi saqala. Very I check the level of concentration yakhe the guy he hardly lose the ball.
Yeah.
Mfethu I mean if you unomkwena uneKhopidu ispine sakho masiqinile mfethu. I mean how many games that you guarantee kangakanani ukuthi ayingakho ama game ozowaluza. So Sundowns the way they've been playing good the past 6-7 years. Namhlanje badlale kanjalo. So well done to Sundowns the way they play today. Moving the ball around. Ngikhuluma very fluid.
Yeah.
I'm being honest. The way they score, I mean, if first goal would look easy. I think Richards Payne but defend poor. A second goal as well. I mean, Sundowns.
Second goal, own goal.
Yeah, it's
from a pressure Sundowns.
yeah, but good pass. It's a long pass at the back side, on the side, and then Mkwena wathathe run lomchita lo urena swaldlulisa le bola. Good run from deep in the middle field and between the defense no goalkeeper, and it was on goal. Nkulumanga second goal. So I mean, Sundowns mfethu I know look completely. I mean, different. Richards Bay today, they came to this game not to concede more goals because they didn't have a plan to score goals. They came in this game, but low block. They came here chasing shadows. I think they were tired by looking for Ipola. Nothing much from their team because they were not playing to score. But Sundowns, what I love how they play in Kulmang shape midfield, complementing each other. Mkwena, Alende, and also Mshishi. Well done to Sundowns. You couldn't tell to repair Rageko. Well done to Sundowns and Fit and a very I'm fit Sundowns Minang Sasoshin. Are they going to win the league? Fit? I don't care anyway who says what. I've seen Pirates. It's a team of individual brilliance. And the Laba, they've got Bana individual, they've got Mapena, you saw him today. One of the best talent, Minang Jobangisho, best players in the world. I'm a player. And talent also proper developed. Player. This boy to the way he's playing, if they can give more, Champions League, just give the boy. When he came, he changed the game. He scored as well. Nyas good it's off it deflection but he score. For the fact that about Vale Lela Polango left taking somebody on. Mfunugul Boni pay dynamic Sundowns variety came yabo. And Alum Fanu Litla Kumagangena. Technically very good, very dynamic player, but Lalangabu on the right hand side and left. Well done to Sundowns, Reynolds as well. Different player, Gugu Sundowns, I think it's like I remember when Brazil won the World Cup. The last World Cup, Luis Nazar was there. A different player compared to Amanyama country with Babin strikers is skillful. Also a goal poucher. Well done to Reynolds has improved. Being him out Mago Sundowns. But the way I feel what Trikanga Kona go Sundowns Nabam complimented. They understand his strength. I'm a teammate at work. And the Uban Amami Lawa is Sundowns now. It's very difficult for you as a striker. If I go striker, and then you've got a problem. Because the moment you fit the Sundowns, they understand.
They will give you everything.
In fact, you balance in the midfield. They can play long. They can play long pass.
play short pass.
Pinpoint long pass. Alende can umuntu we chop. You can mafunu keep a position you give Alende, and also Mkwane can vary his gameplay shot. And Mshishi is more a skillful player, I think. Ayabo. So if variation in in the middle field. So now check on it depth bench la bit depth. Kunolubu sound the bench. Maga pumu keep it. I'm fit to understand. So a complete team is gonna be difficult. I don't think Richards Bay they tried. I think even I'm gonna say what I said even when my team now but Sundowns this season. The quality also, Richards Bay and Ali Sundowns was a different. Also, the foot, it's true. Pound to pound they can't match. They were looking for the ball. You couldn't there was no way I'm gonna strength because they always look for the ball. Beba marker, they are no good small good what they can do. And it's very difficult if they're marker. Movement of the ball at Sundowns, moving the way technical team, the way Bapasanga Koni Pawala. Well done to Sundowns and well done to Salis as well.
Yeah.
I think it did very well today. And I should the Sundowns I want to pass Konos Ochola 9. I Konos Ochola 9 or 10. Konos Puma a man's in day. Actually, a
man's in day.
Yeah, man's in day. Then like I know. A Puma. What want you look with right? Which you look warm. Which you look warm. I can go to
we will keep that good records, Junior, because I know this league. This league, it does needs. What you are saying now, we might laugh about it, but when it happens, it might happen. Because must remember, this is a team that once beat any team with 24-0. So
how you the pants?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
He the pants in because what I love about Cardoso is different between this guy. Cardoso, we need to compliment him sometimes against Zagal. He's so professional. His team, Umagakore one. He want to. If he scored 2, his team must be professional. He must score 3, 4. And I loved it. And the players that come from the bench. Somewhere last season, kuna like game reading, but watching him go club World Cup, Nagamanyama game, compliment to the guy. And
well, yeah, Junior, we mentioned 24-0. I remember them beating Amazulu or 7-1, Golden Arrows or 6-1, but there's only one score, one score line, as Cindy mentioned. I've mentioned just 3. There's many more, but as new score lines also was mentioned, Junior. I don't think you caught me.
Yeah, now such a 8. Call about 28 or 7 or 8.
Yeah,
7. 6, 7, 8, 9. Analo ipakano mamela lapha nalapha. Mina mfethu I love big teams mabasainita. Need show up. Not stay on the paper, show up on the field. Pirates mfethu angideleli. Ngibonile Pirates mina mawenza well. Yiyo ngithi mina ngihlala compliment management Orlando Pirates abonkosana Nkhosa and also abompumi and the technical team bona abomcolist development whatever and nabo dukuduku whatever na uncikazi ngiyam compliment because it's there Jose Rivero noma mina ngine drive nje but the guy did very well. I need to be honest, but ungizwe kahle shi angideleli but they playing against a team engalusi a culture, the identity. They hardly panic. You can score 2 goals first half or first 20 minutes. They will never panic. I mean, if Badlala, Neto Richard Dortmund, they score and then they keep playing with this list at 3-0. It scores playing a 4-3. Yeah. And then playing the way they want against that good club World Cup. Ashane and me.
Junior, let me close it. Otherwise, if you ngake ukuqhubeke singagodwa ngomso. Namhlanje Lucas Masterpieces Modipe Stadium is Sundowns 4, Richards Bay 0. So Balonde Sundowns odlala no-Orlando Pirates kwi-semi-finals MTN 8 ila repeat yango 2022-2023 season. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.